Welcome to the Mechanic Desk Help videos. In this tutorial video, we will walk you through setting up FlipPay. Once logged in, go to Settings, Integrations, and select Online Payments to the left of the screen here. Then select Start Integration and input your name, email, and any other details required and click Save. Once you select Save, you will be brought to this screen to input business information. Please fill in all information on this screen as seen below. Once you have done so, hit Next and take a look at the Onboarding form review page for any changes you need to make. Once complete, select Next again and input your full name and position for authorization. Accept the terms and conditions here and notice the Pay Later with Mechanic Desk option, which will allow your customers to pay in portions via this gateway rather than all at once. Then sign here as required and select Submit. At this point, you will have to wait until FlipPay approves your application. This may take a couple of days. Once the application has been approved, you will see under Settings, Integrations and Online Payments again that the FlipPay integration has been approved and you can begin using it. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact the Mechanic Desk support team.